ESTA 1A drop test explained how e-commerce packaging is tested. An e-commerce package rarely reaches the customer without being dropped. During warehousing, conveyors transferred, sorting, operation, truck loading, and last mile delivery, packages are subjected to repeated handling impacts. So, how do packaging engineers verify whether a package can survive these distribution hazards? The answer lies in standardized package testing, and one of the most widely used standards is ESTA 1A. What is ESTA 1A? ESTA 1A, developed by International Safe Transit Association, is a packaged product integrity test designed for individual packaged product weighing up to 68 kilograms or 150 pounds. Its objective is to evaluate whether the complete packaged product can withstand handling hazards encountered during transportation. Unlike distribution simulation standards such as ESTA 3 series, ESTA 1A focuses on basic package integrity without incorporating vibration, environmental testing, or vehicle simulation. How is ESTA 1A drop test performed? Before testing begins, the complete packaged product is inspected, weighed, and measured. The package weight determines the specified drop height according to ESTA 1A. For example, packages weighing up to 9.1 kilograms are dropped from 760 millimeters, packaged between 9 to 18 from 610 millimeters, 18 to 27 from 460 millimeters, and package weighing 45 to 68 are dropped from 200 millimeters. The specimen is then subjected to prescribed drop sequence based on its geometry. For a standard rectangular shipping containers, the sequence typically consists of 1 corner drop, 3 edge drop, and 6 face drops, totaling 10 free fall impacts. Each drop is performed using a vertical guide drop tester, ensuring the package falls freely without external influence and impacts a rigid, non-resilient surface. What is evaluated? After completing the required drop sequence, the package is inspected for structural damage. Typical observations include crushed corners, panel deformation, torn corrugated box, seam failure, cushioning displacement, and closure failure. The packaged product is then examined for functional performance. Acceptance criteria are established by the product manufacturer or customer specification. In many cases, cosmetic damage to the shipping cartons may be acceptable, but damage affecting product functionality, safety, or usability is considered a failure. ESTA 1A versus ASTM D5276 versus ESTA 3A. It is important not to confuse ESTA 1A with ASTM D5276. ASTM D5276 specifies the free fall drop test methods and equipment requirement, while ESTA 1A is complete package performance protocol that defines the drop sequence and acceptance procedure. Similarly, ESTA 3A is distribution simulation test that combines drop testing with random vibration and other transportation hazards, making it more representative of real parcel delivery environment. Selecting the correct standard depends on your product, distribution channel, and customer requirement. For more such information, you can contact Presto.